Good afternoon, guys. I am Carlos Vales, Christine Vales' husband, and Christine asked me to share this with you really quick about the month of Nissan. See, one of the biggest impediments to determining the reign of a king had to do whether it started in Nissan, or spiritual year, or did it start in Tishri, which is the civil year. And after the falls of the kings of Judah and the kings of Israel to the nations of Assyria and Babylon, one of the things that changed was the fact that now the civil new year, Tishri, was celebrated as part of the coronation of a king. However, you read Tanakh and you read the Old Testament, specifically 1 Kings 6 and 2 Chronicles 3, we understand that the coronation of kings was in Nissan. You take the prophecy also of Jesus, all through the land, all through the prophetic times of Ezekiel, Isaiah, even Leviticus talking about sabbatical years and jubilees, you find that kings were to be coronated on Nissan. We know that Jesus fulfilled every detail of the prophecies in the Old Testament. That included being coronated in Nissan. Consider this. These Jews were saying Hoshana, Hoshana in the highest. The Pharisees were coming down and saying, tell your people to be quiet. They didn't tell him to stop saying that per se, or don't say that because he's not the king. They're saying that because, remember, just 60 years earlier, the Hasmoneans had come down and done the same thing. When Judah's Maccabees came down, they also had the ivy and the palm leaves coming down. I'm a soldier in the Antonian fortress. I'm watching that. What am I thinking? I'm Pilate right now in Herod's temple. I see that. What am I thinking? The Pharisees who were living off the coinage of Rome see that. They're telling this man, tone it down. Okay, because here comes Jesus, the King, coronated in Nissan. Nissan is in fact the reign of kings, the new year of kings. So as we celebrate that, just keep that in mind. We have a king who fulfilled every single prophecy, all the times from the Old Testament to the New. He came, established the New Testament for us, but every jot and tittle, even the coronation of a king, he completed. I hope this blesses you, and have a happy Nissan.